Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for a trucking company. Okay, so if you run a trucking or transportation business, QuickBooks can help you track freight income, fuel expenses, driver payments, and the overall company profit all in one place. So the first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for quickbooks.intuit.com, and we will be directed to this section. Now right here, before we can sign up for an account, we have to see the plans and the pricing first. So tap on see plans and pricing. That's right. And then here, you just have to find a plan that is right for you. So currently we have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. So if you have a huge business, so you can proceed with the Plus and Advanced. But if you're a beginner and you just want to test this tool, then you can actually use a Simple Start, which is I'm actually using right now. So now once you're done signing up for an account, so you will be directed to this section. So after logging in QuickBooks, the first step is setting up your trucking company profile. To do that, just tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Okay, and then go to the company settings or the account and settings option. Okay, so right here, all you have to do is to enter the company name, the address of your business, your contact information, and the tax details. So once you're done filling out or putting all of those important details, you can now close this section, and we are going to proceed to the chart of accounts. Okay, so this is where you organize your income and your expenses. Again, you just have to tap on the settings. Okay, and then tap on the chart of accounts. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here, common categories for tracking companies include under the income, we have freight, delivery income, logistics services, transportation fees. And for the expenses, we have fuel expenses, track maintenance, driver wages, and etc. So here, to add a new account, just tap on the new account option. That's right. And then here for the account name, just going to name this one as logistics services. Okay, and then you just have to select the account type and then tap on the income. Then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. So now we can close this section, and we are going to add our expenses. So I'm just going to add one example, which is the fuel expenses. So again, tap on the new account, and then I'm just going to tap right here, fuel expenses. And for the account type, I'm just going to select expenses, of course, and then tap on the save option. So setting up these categories helps QuickBooks organize your tracking finances automatically. Next one is to add your customers or your clients. So here, you just have to tap on the customer hub. That's right, and then tap on the customers. So once you've opened this section, just simply tap on the new customer option at the top right. And then here, just have to enter the details such as client or company name, their phone number, their email address, their delivery notes. So for example, you can also add notes like weekly delivery contract. So here's the note section or warehouse transport service, long distance freight client. So by doing this, it helps you keep track of the companies that hire your tracking services. Okay, next one is to create an invoice for your business. So to do that, just simply tap on the create option at the top left. Okay, and then you just have to tap on the invoice. Okay, so next is you just have to select the customer and you have to enter the delivery details. Okay, so add your customer right here, for example, this one. Okay, and then you just have to enter the delivery details right here. So For example, you can add here like fuel surcharge and delivery from city A to city B, the quantity, and then the price. Okay, so QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount too. You can then email the invoice to the client. So here we have this option, or you can also print or download this one for records and save it for tracking payments. So this helps tracking companies maintain professional billing records. After that, you just have to close this section. Next one is to track fuel and tracking expenses. To do that, you just have to go to the create option once again. Let me just close this section and leave without saving. So tap on the create option at the top left and then just go to the expenses or the expense. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So here, just have to enter the details such as the gas station, the fuel expense, the amount, the description like diesel fuel for delivery trip, and other common tracking expenses include like truck repairs and maintenance, tire replacement, insurance payments, and highway tools. So tracking these expenses help you understand your operating cost. You can also add attachments right here if you want to, and you'll be able to see here the subtotal and the total. After that, you just have to save and close this section. Okay, next one is to record decline payments and how you can actually do that. So all you have to do here is you just have to tap on the create option and then go to the sales receipt or the received payment. So this one, the received payment. Okay, and then you just have to select the customer and the invoice they're paying for. So you just have to choose the payment method such as bank transfer, credit card, or online payments. So I'm just going to select this customer. That's right. And then for the payment method, we have that right here, and then select the invoice. After that, just have to enter the amount received, and then you just have to tap on the save option, and QuickBooks will mark the invoice as paid, helping you track the completed jobs. Okay, so once you're done, we are now going to monitor our tracking business. So to do that, QuickBooks also provides financial reports to monitor your business performance. So just go to the reports option. Okay, and then here we just have to open the profit and loss. So this one. And this report shows the total freight income, the total tracking expenses, the net company profit. So tracking business owners can use this report to see how much the company earns monthly, and then the major expenses like fuel and maintenance, and the overall profitability. That's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.